Men are no longer safe in our country right now. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and I've come again with Palava. Every day, Palava na apatana in this country. And this week, it's been poison. But before I dive into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are my regular watcher, thank you for being here. And if you have not subscribed, please support my market. I need you to watch this video with me. After watching, we talk. Nenegodi video kaikubezien.
Imagine this small girl carry poison, put papa die. Carry poison, put the papa. She know this nowadays. Make the papa die. Abomination. Hello. This small girl like this. Like you want die too. 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 No wahala. This small girl get papa poison, put papa. Make papa die. Make papa die. This small girl. Go see here. No wahala.
Now, after watching this video, do you know what comes to my mind? You know, sometimes, it's not as if I'm supporting somebody that killed somebody. No. See it from this perspective. There are sometimes somebody might deal with you so much that you want to end the person. To me, first of all, I'm not supporting this girl. Investigation. They've now tied her hand and her leg. And this person, first of all, she's not in remorse. She is not remorseful in any way after doing this thing. Remember, it's her father, but we don't know for a fact whether it is her direct father. It could be a stepfather. It could be an uncle, an father. But it's father that we know from this video. Now, you now ask yourself, psychologically, this girl or the normal? Because if any na ka na-echeck ise, icheck ye nka, icheck ye, because ndị ba say na a na-ewepụ ife na anu weli anu, you don't just eat meat like that. You have to remove some things. You know, excuse my light that is coming and going, but it's okay. It does not stop us from moving. We move. Okay, now, this girl, was she forced into something? Because it's giving palaver inside palaver. Okay, my video. Ihe na-enye bụ palaver inside palaver. What could be wrong? What could be happening behind closed doors? This girl, Kwechiri say, you must die. Why would you want to unalive your dad? Are you suffering abuse of any kind? You know, please, we have to check up on these children. You know, and this girl is not a young child. She's a young adult. You know, sometimes people might be having one thing or the other, but they don't have somebody to tell. Now, this Mpia was able a solace, a person, but now this person have unalived their own father. It could be a juvenile, because Okabu juvenile. You know, probably she's up to 18 or more. Once a mother got 18, is no longer a juvenile, is a young adult. You know. At the end of the day, though now from this video, okwetegodi and the because you can imagine she didn't even lie. She owned up to it with her full chest. Look at the full chest. She owned up to it that she did it. The other one was the ex that died. Now she is owning up of no remorse of any kind. Up as there when they will be burying the man that is unalived. Somebody one side. How can you die? Yeah, after the whole hustle and tussle of this Nigeria, your own child now killed you. Like, what is our community and our society turning into? I'm afraid of the future of the young generation, because most times the news I wanted from this generation is not always good. Stupid set of people. Stupid people. You now unalive the person. Probably, just maybe, you don't know what could be happening behind their closed doors. My opinion is, I get evaluate psychology the girl. Come on, the normal. A water. Evaluate psychology the girl. Because Alka is a two-sided story. The girl call man, the other man is not alive to talk about his own. Ihe na-eme biko, if not for anything, be alive to say your own part. Even if you don't say your own part, be alive. Gaba alone, we may they carry their wahala, they go. Until I come again, Palava, they finish. If you're not watching Palava, you're missing out and you don't know. Sometimes we feel that these things are not happening in the world. Before, I used to live in a bubble, but right now, I'm seeing all these things that is happening because now I'm presenting Palava. I know that people can be mean. The Bible, Asera say when he said the heart of man is desperately wicked. The heart of women is desperately wicked. Until I come again, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Abone subscribe. Please subscribe and please turn on your notification bell. Okay, and post to Palava because Palava, they finish. Until I come again, don't forget to listen to my Igbo Community Radio USA, where all Igbos we talk about our things about us. Echefukwana asụsụ gị, sụba asụsụ Igbo maka na ọ na-atọ ụtọ ka ọ dị.